Okay, let's get started. Let me check the sound first. Okay, we're fine. There is news today at 8:30 with trade balance. So we're going to take a look at that. Then member Barr speaks at 9:15. At 10, we do have member Waller speaks, and then there's an economic news here there. So not really that important, but we will monitor the 9:30 and this in here we do have member Logan speaks at 1:25. So a lot of member FOMC members speaking today, three of them, but then we do have a news at 8:30. Gold is falling off the cliff today in the overnight. So let's review the markets. I'm going to change my monitor to the main. And let's look at today's levels. So crude is falling today. Let's look for, so that would be resistance now. We crossed moving averages below in the So in here started to move down there. It respected our resistance level all the way through there, and then it started to go back down. So let's see where we are now. We're right at support right here at 1965. So yeah, big range here. And I'm gonna put the support right there now. There's also some support over there, or some support as of that resistance there. And so for that reason, I'm gonna keep it there. And the resistance, I'm gonna put it up high right there. You know what? Let's move this one a little bit down. I see three touches that are that I would think that are important. So I'm gonna put that one there because of this, and those two. So okay, those are going to be my levels for gold today. Still early, but it seems that gold is falling off the cliff. Let's look at gold in the higher time frames. Let's go to monitor 2. And see, it broke. It's breaking down, and now it's at support. So it 240 minutes gold is bearish. 30 minutes is bearish as well. Already made a big run. Let me open my other tool for now, and the Thinkorswim platform. I'm a little bit late today in broadcasting, so give me a couple of minutes in my. So it seems that crude gold is already like $20 down. So this is just 1 second. While I open my I think, or swim platform. Okay. This is so gold. Yeah, $24 down, significant. So it's bearish. So here we have the 30 minutes rejecting the 2000 level. No surprises there, and now it's battling at support right here, trying to break below that one. So what we want to see here is, let me expand this a little bit. So we want to see a break, a retest, and then probably a continuation. If we see some, already the move is big, but if we see some, sideways move there, for me it's a little bit extended, and I'm not a chaser, so I'm gonna stalk it only. Okay, so then the 60 minutes is also bearish, so gold is bearish. Here it's in the daily, it's actually moving down. Let me see, too many drawings here. But the bar, you see that the big red candle right here moving to so it's I would say that this one is in compression now. We don't have lower highs, lower lows, but we have in the daily, we do have a higher low forming here. So we'll see what it's going to do. Let's go to crude in the point and figure chart to look for the levels. Let me change the monitor. And this is crude right here. And let's look for levels. That one seems to be a good one. It's trying to retouch this $79 level. That would, I'm gonna put that $79 there just because it went there. I don't have any reference here yet, but I'm gonna leave it at 79 as support because of the overnight. And then at resistance, kind of clear, right? You couldn't argue if I put my level over there. So I'm gonna go to that level, and let's call this one 80 29, 80 30, and this one is going to be 79. Okay, so I'm gonna put here 79, and then here 80. Okay, so let's monitor this one too. Let's go to crude in the dailies. Oh, no, in the dailies, in the higher time frames. Monitor 2, and then crude in the daily is given a lower high, a lower low here. So moving south, broke this resistance here on this candle, so it's damaging the structure right there. And then probably the next stop is going to be 76.60 on the dailies. This one is bearish also, so form a bear flag right up here in the 240 minutes, and then the overnight has been a move to the downside. Right now, CL is a $1.68 down, and then on the 60 minutes in crude, this one is right at support right there, triggering a bear flag right there, a little bit extended too. My move, or my estimation is that crude would move up to $2 per day, either down or up. In this case, down. It's at 169, so 167. So I don't know how much more is going to go. It's right up on our resistance, also in the 30 minutes chart. Okay, so it's I'm sorry, it's at support, triggering a bull flag, but below this red candle right here. Okay, so let me see if I have the levels for NQ or ES, I'm sorry. So let's do ES. Let me go to ES. Where are you? Right here, ES. So I would say let's take this one, wait a little bit to the right. And I would say that support I'm gonna take this low right here. I'm gonna leave it around there. Okay, and then resistance. I'm gonna leave it there. So let's see what we have. 43.60 and then 43.85. Yeah, I think that's fair. Okay, and let's look at the monitor 2 for ES. And now this one is in the channel right here in the 240. Well, in the daily, it's kind of like fighting this 50 SMA. And after having a nice move to the upside, now it's struggling in this area. So moved sideways yesterday. It was really sideways move, and I said that in the morning that I was expecting a side move. That first of all for being a Monday, and then second because this large move that we already experienced. So in here it's kind of like battling. Gold is going to open in 2 minutes. So I received the alert. And so it's a sideways move in the 240, in the 240 minutes. And you see that the range in the daily was really nothing. And now we have a cluster of moving averages moving and getting together. So this one is compression area for sure. And then if in the hourly, you see kind of the same behavior. I would say that this one is sideways. To sideways, I would say that not sideways to up is neutral, and then same for the 30 minutes. So be careful today as well. If it goes below these levels, I would start looking for shorts. But if it keeps moving in this direction, I'm not going to risk to make that much of a risk there. So those are my levels in ES. Let's look at NQ. Let's go to main again and look for NQ levels. My point and figure, and then this one here, I'm gonna reduce the size to yesterday only and duplicate this. And the support, the resistance, which is clear. Right up here, I would say 15 to 50, and then the support. It's right around there, same as yesterday, kind of. I'm gonna leave it there too. What do we have here? 15 to 50. That is what we said. And then here, let's close it at 30, 15.30. Yeah. Okay, so those are the levels for today. Hopefully this helps. We are right below resistance. So what do we want to see? If we are going to be bullish, we want to see break it up above this level right here. And if we are going to be bearish, then probably this line here would help us to determine if it's going to break it and go down towards that support there, or and then if it breaks this one below that one, we are definitely bearish. Counter trend though, after this nice move there. So let's go to the dailies, or not to the monitor tool, and in the daily, we do have same situation as in, oh, I'm sorry. Of course. Okay, this one is NQ. So I was saying same situation as the ES, kind of like a little bit above the 50, right, in the daily. And here we are right below this trend line we draw yesterday in there. In the 240 minutes, we are neutral to bullish, facing resistance though. So horizontal move as well. We do have nice space to move to the downside though. So let's wait and see how the market, what the market does. I'm not looking at gold on the opening, so let's take a peek there. Rejecting and went through our resistance, our support, and moving up a little bit. Okay, so let's go back here. And then we do have some bullish signs in the 30 minutes and in the 1 hour as well. But facing, we are right up above, or right below the resistance, up above this bracket, or this rectangle here of consolidation. So yeah, we're definitely consolidating or compressing here. Okay, so that's my levels for an analysis for today. Let me see here. Okay. Let's go back to my main monitor. I think that my main monitor is a little bit clustered, so I'm gonna put you in this Renko charts. It's a little bit more clear. I was working on this one over the weekend, so gold continues to move down there. And crude is breaking the support level. Gold already moved to, let me see here. For some reason, all my monitors are. I need to fix these things. I'm gonna put in music while I fix my other monitors. So. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes this a Ninja Trader is not very friendly on the way that they display the charts. It's individual charts, one by one. You can synchronize them, but if you lose something, very tough to recover. Actually, that's I would say that's a problem on Ninja Trader. The I believe that that in this in that aspect the what is the name of this other one? I forgot. There's other platforms that are more friendly in the way that they manage the chart. The Supreme, I think it's is this Think or Swim. By the way, let's check the dailies on Think or Swim on the. Let me put it here while we wait. It's 8:29. Let's wait for the news. Let's wait for the news and see what's going on with the news. We're 30 seconds away. Let me open my. $16 seconds. U.S. trade balance. Medium to nothing. No expected big reaction here. Yeah, numbers are out. Gold is moving to the upside now in an attempt to survive. Oh, change this one. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Trying to put the nose out of the water. There's a reversal candle right there. It's a hammer. Momentum is down. Oh, that was, yeah, gold. And here, gold is trying to go back down now, finding some resistance and now some support at the double top that we formed here in this channel. So this one is creating a channel right there. And now it's trying to move away from that channel. So when the move is large, like in this case, we need to respect the bearishness of the move, right? We're not chasing, but we need to see that. I mean, the move was already substantial all the way down here. So bears are in control right there. So need to be careful. Guys, remember today is the last day for the 90% discount on Apex. It lasts till midnight today. So if you're going to add accounts, or if you're going to put any accounts on that one for Apex, go to the link and use that promo code XGBZFETM. Okay, coming back down. In gold. Gold is not really, it's in compression now after this nice move to the downside. So really no trade here. At least for me. And if you don't mind, you can like the video, this video as well. I don't know if it's too much to ask. Anyways. Let me move. So this could be an entry, but my higher time frames are not, or my anchor charts are not helping with this move. So I'm not taking any risk here. Yeah, if you only look at the let's see here. If you only look at the entry chart, then you will see that there is a trigger right there, right in that entry. Probably it's going to move higher, so you have room to move. But if you look at the higher time frame, let's put at the 4 here, which is double the size of this one. You see that we are in a level that you know, is not really. It's a counter trend. So I'm respecting the bear people here. There is resistance up above. We are bouncing off of this support level right here, right? So this one here, the green is the support, and it keeps moving. But it's a counter trend. So I don't know if it's going to leave that much more. The higher time frame is not helping here. But it's moving, so if you took it, then good job. I did not. Yeah, it seems that wants to go up. And also CL crude is reacting also at the support level right here. Really nice move in gold off of that bounce right there. You can argue that this one was a trend reversal breakout right there. So was lower highs, lower lows, and then came back down here, make a new low, and then a high or lower high. Then I made a higher low, and then it broke. And now second wave, it's moving to the upside. And it really keep moving. Now it's facing some resistance. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video now, and I'm gonna keep trading myself in here. I don't see that many views and I don't see that many likes,
So I'm gonna keep trying over and over to see if I can increase the number of people who sees this video. Remember to check the Apex code, or the Apex promo code they have there. The link is in the description. And happy tradings, and see you next time.